Hi friends, and welcome to Shop with Mimi. If you're new here, welcome, and if you've been here for a while, hello. I hope you're all doing great. Today's video is a quick browse with me at a new Dollar Tree location that I saw. I was out in Montebello in California, and I definitely had to stop at the local Dollar Tree, so let's just get right into the items. Well friends, that's going to be the end of this video. I hope you guys enjoyed. I know it was quick. I didn't browse as much as I would like. The store was really messy and they didn't have a lot of new items. But I'll see you in my next one. Take care. Bye-bye.